Good morning, y'all. I just got done feeding the animals. Now I am on my way up to the house. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy. It's because I have a little cold. We actually all have little colds. Just to let y'all know that. Today we are going to be bringing up the RV to start to get all cleaned and packed up because we only leave in 3 more days. Only 3 more days, y'all, until we leave. That is super exciting, and we will be sure to bring y'all along for all of that. And today we also have to say goodbye to our pony Cupcake and our goats. So that is going to be super sad because we've raised them on our homestead ever since they were babies. So really bittersweet. So that's what we are going to be doing today, y'all. And so yeah, first let's bring up the RV. So here we go. Okay, y'all, the RV is up and we already packed a lot of stuff. We still have to vacuum the carpet, but before we do that, I wanted to give y'all a little tour of our RV. Okay, y'all, so this is what the front of our RV looks like. The driver and the passenger seat, and then there's just another seat right there. Sorry for the mess, y'all. We were trying to pack for 7 people to live out of here for quite a while, so it's got to be a little messy. And over here is our couch. This folds down to be a bed, and a couple of my brothers sleep on that. And up here is just some storage up there. And right here is our little table area, and this also folds down to be a bed. I sleep on that. And then we put a couple blow-up mattresses on the ground for the couple of my other brothers. And over here is our little kitchen. It's so cute and tiny. A little oven and stovetop and microwave. And right here's a little pantry. I don't know if y'all want to see inside of that. It's a little scary, but I'll just show y'all. Close your eyes. Boom. Look at all that. That is just on the top, stuffed and full of stuff. You probably won't be wanting to open that when we're driving because everything will just fall out. It's happened before. And our little fridge and freezer. And oh yeah, and one thing over here I want to show y'all is our little map. We put tags of where we've been. So we're here in California, wanting to get to Texas. We're also wanting to travel the East Coast, so that will be really neat. And over here is the closets that all of us kids share. And then there's just little drawers down there that we also share. And over here is where my mom and dad sleep. Like I said, y'all, I'm sorry for the mess. That's my mom's closet, my dad's closet, some towel storage up there. And then lastly, our little bathroom. So this is our little shower, little toilet and sink. So that is pretty much all for our RV. We are all super excited about bringing y'all along on our new adventure of living out of here for a while. Now, let's vacuum. Okay, Mr. Luke, are you ready to start vacuuming?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get the vacuum. Good job, Luke. Thank you. Okay, y'all, now we need to clean the horse trailer.